Um, Today is what day is today? I think today is Tuesday. Um, Yesterday the whole day, I didn't do much, but I finished my first crochet project, and I'm so excited to show it to you. I think I already showed it to you in the previous video. This is the bookmark that I made. I made it with lavender and gray because BJ and magnolia. Yeah, so I made this bookmark and I'm like so happy. uh like I made a bookmark and it was like so perfect, and it took some time. I think I took like 1 or 2 hours to make it. And I'm really happy. The next thing I want to make is a book sleeve and also a Kindle cover. Yeah, I'll probably do it soon. um I'm just like so happy I made it, and it was simple as well. Like it's just a repetitive thing that you have to like do it again and again and again, and it's quite simple. Just that uh like you need a lot of concentration. Yeah. That's it. Like once you but I think once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy and simple. So I'm happy with what I made. Then today, I don't know what I want to do today. I thought I'll go to the bookstore, but I don't know if I want to go. I'm really not sure if I want to go to the bookstore. Um, Maybe I'll go some other time, I guess. Yeah, sorry. My mom was grinding something, so I had to cut the video. Yeah, so what was I telling you? Yeah, like I don't feel like going to the bookstore, like going so far. But I am really not sure what else I can do. Yeah, like it gets a bit like I don't know, like not boring. I don't know, like it gets a bit like too much if I just sit inside this room the entire time with no uh with no like I don't know, like with no one to talk to, and I don't have any friends. So I just don't know what to do. Like it gets too much sometimes if I just sit inside the room. So that's why I go out, and I'm not sure if I should just go to the bookstore or like what I should do. I should think about it. What do you think I should do? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I should do. It's a nice sunny day outside. Yeah, it's nice and sunny. Like there's like so much of sunlight. Yeah, it's nice and sunny outside. Um, don't know what to do. I don't think I want to buy any books. I have so many books on my TBR. I think I should just read my TBR. Yeah, I think I should just read my TBR and not like buy more books. Probably try to finish my TBR and then yeah. So I DNF'd one book yesterday. I don't want to talk about it because I decided I'm not gonna like talk about the books I DNF because I don't want to create any controversies. Yeah, so I don't want to like create any controversy, so it's fine. I just DNF'd one book yesterday, and it's because I read a review online, like a bad review online, and I couldn't unsee it. Yeah, I read that review and now I don't feel like reading the book, like I just lost the interest of reading the book after I read the review because that review was too specific, and I was like, yeah, now I don't feel like reading it. Yeah, so I DNF'd it. It's okay. Yeah. So I don't know what I'll do now. Probably I should just go out, and I don't know where to go. You know, I really don't know where I should go. I wish I had friends. Yeah, it's times like this that I wish I had friends. Yeah, but my experience with friends wasn't that great. And also, I'm kind of scared of making friends these days. Like, I'm really scared to make friends because there's always a lot of misunderstanding, and like every single time I talk, there's always a lot of misunderstanding. I never like intentionally hurt anyone, I never say anything, I never do anything, but like there's always a lot of misunderstanding. Yeah, so I don't know what I could do, but yeah. So I just get scared to talk to people, to make friends. I feel that it's good just being alone sometimes. Sometimes I feel like, okay, I just don't want any friends. It's better to be alone. It's better to be by myself and happy and peaceful. Yeah, sometimes I feel like that. Then I don't know. Sometimes I feel like, oh, I wish I had someone to talk to and share about things, like just talk and share things. And like, I don't know, like I just feel that, but then the feeling goes off because then I remember all the experiences that I've had in my life, and I'll be like, yeah, yeah, so that's the thing. And I think I'm like comfortable being alone, like I'm happy and comfortable, and like like happy to be alone, but yeah, not all the time, I guess. Yeah, but it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's much later. I didn't do anything today. I was just playing with my nieces, and then I think that's it. And it was like raining. Yeah, it's so nice that it's raining these days, and it's like back to being cold, and it's so nice. And in the afternoon it'll be like sunny, and in the evenings it mostly rains, and it's like so nice these days. I really like it. I really like it. Yeah, so yeah, so I was playing with my nieces, and I lifted my niece, and you know what happened? Like my both my hands were paining so badly, like from here till here, here till here. It was like paining so badly, and I got headache. Yeah, she's grown up now, so I'm like not able to carry her, and I got headache. My hands were paining, and I was just lying down for a very long time listening to music. Yeah, because I lifted her, and it was like, yeah, I got my energy back. Like my mineral and vitamin tablet is over. Now I only have like vitamin D tablet left, which I have to take like every month one for 6 months. So I just have like vitamin D tablet, and I have this tablet which I took for my mental health issue, which I told you about, which I'm trying to stop because yeah, I don't really have it. So I'm trying to stop that slowly, so that is also happening. Yeah, so I keep my medicine in this drawer in my table. So all my medicines are here, so whatever medicine I need, I keep it in the drawer, and when the reminder rings, I just open and I take my medicine. So yeah, so that's what's happening. And what else happened? Yeah, I've got pimple here. I don't know how I got pimple, but I got pimple here and here. I don't know how I get pimple. Like you can't see, right? Like it's here. Yeah, I got pimple. Yeah. Then what happened is I can eat cold things again. Yeah, I'm able to eat cold things again, and I'm so grateful and thankful that I'm able to eat cold things again. And it's only when you can't like do something that you realize the value of what you have, right? Like what you had and it's suddenly not there, and that's when you realize the value. So that's how I realized the value of my throat. Yeah, so I'm so careful these days. I don't like eat a lot of cold things. I don't drink a lot of cold things. I just like drink it sometimes. Yeah, I'm able to drink it now, and I just do it sometimes. I'm extremely careful these days. It all started because I drank a lot of like virgin mojito and coke and a lot of things like that. Like I drank like a lot of it. So that's how I got tonsils, and that's how I was sick for like 1 year. And now that it's better, I'm like extremely careful. Like I'm so careful. Yeah, so um precaution is better than cure, something like that, right? I don't remember it. Yeah, so that's what's been happening. um yeah, I didn't read anything today. I don't know, like I didn't do anything today, like nothing I did today. Nothing productive. I was just like just chilling, playing with my niece, talking to my mom. That's it. That's it I did. I'm just looking at my laptop here. I'm not looking at anything and reading. Like, I know I keep looking at my laptop when I'm talking. I realize that because I watched my previous video and I'm like, what am I doing? I'm looking at my laptop and talking. The nothing is written here. I'm just like opening Spotify. Spotify is open and I just look at Spotify all the time and speak. Yeah, that's what I do. Um, and I also don't complete my sentences, right? I'm such a mess. I don't complete my sentences and it creates so many misunderstandings. I say because and I stop. I always think like, please complete your sentence. Please say what you want to say after because. But always I say because and I stop. Yeah, like I'm not able to like complete my sentences. I don't like, it's like too much work. Yeah, sometimes I get so overwhelmed and it's like too much work to talk and just explain or like something like, yeah. So um but I try to complete my sentences, um and not leave it half. Yeah. uh what else is happening, Rachna? Yeah, so I have been listening to Tortured Poets Department. Like, I'm still listening to it. Like, yeah, I've been listening to it from a very, very long time. I don't know if I like Tortured Poets Department more than Folklore. I think Folklore is my favorite Taylor Swift album. I think. I don't know. Like, oh no, I can't choose. No, I can't choose. Okay, leave it. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing these days. I'm just like, like, I don't even know what I'm doing. I have no one to talk to. I have nothing to do, and I'm just like sleeping all the time. Most of the time, I don't do anything. I just exist and I just be in my room, listen to music. That's it. Yeah, I don't do anything. I just eat. Like, I stick to my routine. I eat and listen to music, and that's it. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. And yeah, I see a lot of Instagram and Pinterest and Goodreads. That's it. Yeah, I don't really text. There is no one to actually text. Yeah, so I don't text at all. Like, it's been like so many months that I don't text at all. Like, yeah, I just like call sometimes if I have something to say. I just call people and just say. I don't text at all, and yeah, and I just speak to my therapist. I just text her and ask her, are you free for a session? That's it. Like, that's all that I do, and I have been doing from a very long time now. I don't know when I stopped texting, but I don't text at all. I don't even feel like texting. I don't like. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just don't feel like it. Like, if I want to like talk about something or there's some ideas in my mind, I just blog. yeah, I just write in my blog. I think I prefer writing in my blog than, I don't know, like, yeah, I seriously don't know. Like, instead of like, since I don't have any friends to talk or to text or anything, what I've been doing is I've been just writing on my blog and talking to you guys on my video. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. And I feel like since I've been doing that, I feel like I don't know, I feel good about it. Like, I feel like telling you so many things and sharing so many things with you, and I don't know, I'm just like, yeah, I keep doing that and I feel so good about it. And yeah, but I have to be like very careful about what I speak, because sometimes I speak all wrong things. I wouldn't have spoken it in a way to hurt anyone, but I don't know, I feel I speak wrong things sometimes. Like, whatever I'm trying to communicate, it just doesn't I, what I'm trying to say is that sometimes I don't convey it properly. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, so um that's all that's been happening. Just Spotify, I don't know, like, what I do. Like, I think I'm the one who uses Spotify the most in this world. Seriously. Yeah, the amount of Spotify that I use is insane. And sometimes I just open Spotify and just stare at it. Yeah, I just like keep staring at Spotify because it's like so good. um and I just listen, like, stare at all the music and all that. Even if I'm not listening to music, I just open Spotify and stare at it. I just open Goodreads and stare at it. Goodreads is so nice. And I open Instagram and stare at it. I open Pinterest and stare at it. Yeah, like, I don't know why I do that, but I do that. And yeah, so that's what I do. I wish Goodreads like would update its app. I don't know, like, I keep wishing that. I don't know if they will do it, but yeah. This eye is paining all of a sudden. I don't know what happened. I don't know. These days I'm not wearing my glasses, and it's so bad. I know I have to wear my glasses, but I'm not wearing it. Like, I get so irritated if I wear my glasses. I have to start wearing it again. I think I have to start wearing my glasses again. I don't know why I'm not wearing it. I have to wear it. I think one of my eye is bigger than other eye, right? I don't know. No, I think both are same size. Yeah. Hmm. What else is happening? I want to watch It Ends With Us. Yeah. It Ends With Us. Blake Lively is there in that, and what's the guy's name? Justin, right? I think Justin. I think Justin, yeah. I like them both. I want to watch that movie. I don't know if it's gonna release in India. If it releases, I'll probably go for it. I want to watch it. I couldn't read the book, but I will definitely watch the movie. Yeah, and I want to watch Turtles All the Way Down as well, but I think it is not there in any of the OTT. I don't know which OTT it is there in. But I know that that movie has come out, but I don't know which OTT it is there. And I've read the book like 2 times. It's a good book. I like what they say about the galaxies and all that. The guy is like always talking about space and galaxies, like stars and outer space and all that, which I really like. So it's a good, like, I think it will be like a one-time watch. It's good. I want to know, distributed by Max. I don't think it's there in India, right? Yeah, it's fine. I'll probably wait for it whenever it's coming out. It's coming out. Yeah, and what else do I want to watch? What do I want to watch? What do I want to watch? I think for now, this is it that I want to watch, and I want to watch Inside Out too. Yeah, that would be a good movie. And what else do I want to watch? I want to watch Moana. Yeah, that's gonna be amazing because I listen to songs of Moana like all the time, even now. And even I read it in Magnolia Parks. Magnolia likes the song of Ancestors, and she always cries while like watching that song. Um, I do the same. She's, I don't know, so many things I can relate to Magnolia. Yeah, even I listen to the song of Ancestors from Moana and cry. Yeah, even I do that. I get emotional too. Yeah, so I don't know. Today is such a good day. I think that's it. That's happening. I can't think of anything else that I want to say. Yeah, I'm just like looking at my photos. Not my photos, like Google Photos. Yeah. So I think that's it that I want to say. It was nice talking to you, spending time with you all these days. My birthday wasn't that great, but now it's good. Yeah, so even if a day is not good, the next day will be good. you know? Yeah. So yeah, so I'll probably see you with another video sometime very soon. Until then, please do like, share, subscribe because it's all free and it'll make me happy. I don't know what to talk to you these days because nothing really happens in my life. But I'll probably think of something if something comes up. Yeah. So I'll see you. Bye.